friends! I'm at a different garage today with a pretty weird car, because today I'm going to fix the headlights on this Peugeot 107. Now, y'all are probably wondering what I'm doing here with a Peugeot today, but this is actually my parents' car, because I recently did the headlights on my Civic that were just as ugly as these ones, and my parents really liked the result, so they asked me if I could do the same to their car, so that's what we're going to do today. Now, I was really debating on whether I should make a video about this, because I already did something similar, and I don't think this car will be anyone's cup of tea if you're following me for Volvos and Hondas, but I figured why not do a little side quest Sunday and make a bonus video, so hope you like it. Now, these are the headlights that I'm going to restore today, and as you can see, they're not very glossy anymore, but we're going to fix that. Now let's pop the hood so we can see the headlights a bit better too. How do you even open this? Oh, look how small it is. That's cute. This car is also way too small compared to the lift. That looks cute. Sick engine too. Look at that monster. Bop. Now, if you've already seen my other headlight video, I think you already know the drill, but I'm just going to degrease all of these surfaces surrounding the headlight so I can go and mask it off before I start sanding. And in case you're wondering where I am, I'm currently at my local Volvo garage, where they always help me out. It's called Full Service, by the way, but I needed some space to work on this car today, and I can always come here and work on my cars or get parts, so that's amazing. As you can see, there's a whole lot of Volvos in here, and I think you can now see why I like it so much here and why I come here so often, because there's always a lot of 850Rs and T5Rs here. That's cool. I do think I'm getting a whole lot better at masking, because I do this way too often. Now I'm going to be a responsible adult and mask this one as well, because usually I'm a bit lazy and then I get started on one headlight and then I still have to do the other one, but let's do it right away, because I'll be really happy about that later. I'm really looking forward to the end result, because I think my parents will be super happy, because my dad always likes to do small things on this car, like fix some new lights and all that kind of cool tuning, and this is just ugly, so I think this will really be the cherry on top of the cake. Look, my dad made some LED lights in the front bumper, and he also made some, what do you call it, parking sensors and a reverse camera. So that's cool. He does give a lot of attention to this car. So now I'm gonna do the same. Before I get to sanding, let's clean and degrease the headlights a bit. That looks good already. Yeah, I'm done. No, just kidding, but it does look shiny. Now let's get started with the sanding. And I'm starting off with some grit 400, just like I did on my Civic. Oh, and this is coming off so easily. That's nice. Wait, let me show you close up. I hope you can see it, but there's all these little black spots, but they come off right away after you go over it just once. Well, I still gotta sand it a whole lot more, but that's nice. Got myself a little spray bottle filled with water, because I think that's easier than using a cup. But I do actually enjoy filming an extra little video, because I actually do quite a bit of extra small car jobs, I guess that's what you should call them, side quests, on my off days. But I never film them, because I always think it will be a bit boring and I'm not going to upload it as a regular Thursday video, but I figured why not do it as an extra video on Tuesday. So I hope you guys do like this, and if you don't, let me know too, I guess. Don't be rude though. But I guess you won't be watching either if you don't want to see this, I hope. Well, I do feel like a whole lot of people are just watching to see what I'm doing and then leaving nasty comments too. But hopefully you're not going to do that. On to step 2. Let's do grit 800. On to grit 1200. And I'm actually going through this really fast compared to last time, so that's great. Cheers. And on to the finishing touch, you guessed it, grit 2000. This side's all nice and sanded, so now I'm going to do the other side, but I don't want to bore you guys too much, so I'll probably time-lapse it or something. And with that, we're all ready for paint. But of course I gotta mask it a bit more first. Now of course I forgot some plastic to cover up the bumper and stuff, so I'm going to cut up these garbage bags and use those, because that works as well. Because when you're super chaotic and always forget everything, you gotta be creative. Now this tape got all wet and nasty, so I'm gonna remove it and redo it, so I can put a new layer on top of there. Otherwise I don't think it will really stick that well. And we don't want bits of clear coat overspray on the bumper or something. By the way, I think it's so nice to be working here, because I got so much space to do everything, as opposed to in my own garage. It's super small, so thanks again, full service. Yeah, it's a Peugeot 107 party. Damn, that's a beast. Hoi. I always call these cars krentenbollen, and I don't know what that is in English. I'll try to insert a picture of a krentenbol. And no, I'm not talking about these cars, but an actual cleansable. Well, that's ugly, but the 107 is ready for Halloween, so now we can go and paint the headlights, I think. Look at that.
Ew.
Okay. And after 2 layers of clear coat, the headlights look super shiny again. So now I'm gonna let them dry a bit and then we can get all of the plastic off. Let's unpack this little present. And that's it. Now the front bumper is still really nasty, but I can't wash it yet because of course the paint has to harden out a bit. And with that, this car is all done and I can go and return it to my parents. Now, thank you for watching and thank you to Full Service for letting me work here today. Now, I hope you enjoyed this little extra video. In 2 days, I'll be back with a regular video. For now, don't forget to like and subscribe and I hope to see you next time. Bye!